To create awareness about cleanliness among the residents and shopkeepers in the area, the youth from Tympang, Musiang locality organized an awareness march in and around the area, carrying placards with slogans to make the people aware about the responsibilities to keep the market and the surrounding place clean. In spite of the rain, the youth were seen to bravely take the initiative to go ahead with the program they planned. In this awareness march, the youth were shouting slogans about the importance of cleanliness. Speaking to the media, Assistant Wahid Chnong Shri Latu Natyang said that the team of youth has been trying hard for the last few months to keep the whole area clean. The chairman of the youth organization, Sri Raj Pasa, told the media that the marketplace, which was very dirty previously, is now 40% clean. Furthermore, he said that they are trying to segregate the biodegradable and the non-biodegradable waste.
The youth coverage program, awareness program, especially for the cleanliness. But I ketika story the lagan ni subna gatu hamtam yuto yang put it here apo kacung power ni. Jadi keluar lembaga media online jorok di nongjong trong yang berjen dia. Owan ki trong power ni siapa ki maintain ya teka cleanliness kung hong do pathar ki ya ki cek ki wan ki cek gobi siapa tu no kakam instruction ku dia di lembaga trong berbuat hati benda untuk uno dengan buat orang kelam cukul ketin, sebab ini program tu yang ini nak control, to organize ini program dengan ini lembaga yang secretary atau chairman yang ini, penting dia dengan program untuk yang ini awareness program.
Jingkmu yang ini dia yang pendaki kami control, siapa ni? Wah dia ikut yo pertai, jika jinglah rally yang ini, march rally, ni hak tim wa ong cleanliness idi joy wa gayau wa mango kopi nagwa teroi bahan am chwa andre kat ni dia ule 30 dan 40% dia clean dika siap komen ni tang em cho ka jing thmu yong i nei di chmat kam gi kunro wa la di yi u pendek foi kam ni bai hadin nam le do bot ki paten yong i te ka mission yang icho wa ule yakni ka waste segregation le or secret yakni waste from biodegradable into non biodegradable waste di plastik penjahit para plastik igu gaya kelas bo open kelas bo ini ketika jing tunggu yang i kontrak bah jing mut yang i entok do bo pun khoi igu chnong kathau henry bo punya jakpo yakni ki khnro yang i ku bam pigment kre neni chikman.